Hey everybody, and welcome back to 6th grade science. We are continuing our study into the wonderful world of volcanoes. Now, to do today's activity, you're going to need a couple things. I hope you got them because I told you guys last week, and the first thing that you're going to need to pull out is your scientific notebook and your trusty pencil. These are the rest of the needed supplies you guys should have prepared because we told you guys last week. First up is 1 spoonful of dish soap, followed by about 4 spoonfuls of vinegar. As well as the vinegar, you want 4 spoonfuls of baking soda. Now with these 3 supplies, you also need an empty bottle, as well as a small paper bag. Now before we progress any further, pause this video and journal all the supplies needed and what you think these supplies will be used for when we simulate our own volcano explosion. Next, in your scientific journals, form a hypothesis. One important question to ponder is that will the volcano explode before we add in the materials or after? Just like real life volcanoes, does the right elements need to be added in and the right conditions met before there's an eruption? Or can a volcano just erupt whenever it feels like it? Now take the time to journal your thoughts before we move on. If you've taken the time to make observations, to ask questions, and formulate a hypothesis, then you're ready to conduct our experiment. Step 1 is to ensure that proper eyewear is in place, as you want to protect your eyes. That is very important. Step 2 is to ensure that you remove the cap from your plastic bottle. That is very important. Don't forget to do that. After ensuring that the cap is removed from your plastic bottle, take your brown paper bag and place it over the bottle, pushing down and punching a hole right in the middle, ensuring that there is a spout coming out. Now that you have your volcano, you're ready to start adding in the elements. Firstly, add in your dish soap, pouring it into the middle of the spout. After adding in your dish soap, add in your baking soda. Make sure to try to get at least most of it inside the little nozzle. It's just missing one more component, and that is the vinegar. And when you pour it in, prepare for there to be a mess. Did you guys' predictions come true? Make sure you journal what you just saw. In your journal, answer the following question. Does the amount of materials used, such as the amount of vinegar or baking soda, play any factor in determining how big the volcano's explosion will be? The best way to answer that question would be trying this experiment again and again.